I will now turn to social welfare. Last year, I was in a position to increase all weekly social welfare payments, and I'm pleased to announce that I can do so again in 2019. In addition to a €5 per week increase in all weekly social welfare payments from next March, I'm also pleased to be able to fully restore the 100% Christmas bonus repayment to all social welfare recipients this year. A new paid parental leave scheme will be introduced in November of 2019 to provide 2 extra weeks' leave to every parent of a child in their first year. I intend to increase this to 7 extra weeks over time. To support working families and to ensure that work pays, next March I'll increase the earnings disregard from the one-parent family payment and introduce a maintenance disregard for the working family payment. I'm also introducing a set of measures that focus on increasing the living standards of the most vulnerable in our community. This includes increases in the qualified child payment of €2.20 per week in respect of under 12s and €5.20 per week in respect of over 12s, as well as a €25 increase in both back-to-school clothing and footwear allowance rates.